Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into Premiere Pro, and I'll show you exactly how to add subtitles to your videos. So let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, I've added a video clip and an audio clip to my timeline now. Go up to File, select New and then choose Captions. In the pop-up you have various options, but I'm going for Open Captions since I want them permanently burned into my video. Drag the captions from your project panel under the track above your video clip on the timeline. Adjust the duration to match your video's length. Each caption is represented by a black bar on the caption clip. Double-click the black bar to open the Captions panel. Here, you can type your text and play around with settings like font size, opacity, and position. You can change the position precisely by adjusting the X and Y values. Adjust the duration of each caption by dragging the ends of the black bar. You can also change when the caption appears by dragging the middle of the black bar. Keep adding captions by clicking the plus button in the Captions panel. Drag and position them to align with the corresponding audio sections. The formatting from the previous caption is retained, making it convenient. Once you've added all your captions, go to Export your video. Under the Captions tab, you'll find Export options. You can choose to burn the captions into your video, create a sidecar file, or exclude them. And there you have it. Adding subtitles in Premiere Pro is a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Thanks for watching.